Okay, OnePlus users, are you guys ready to experience the biggest update of 2025? Then I have a great news for you guys. Previously, OnePlus had started the recruitment of Oxygen OS 16 closed beta for OnePlus 13 series. But today, OnePlus is recruiting for Oxygen OS 16 open beta. And in this video, I'll tell you guys how to apply for the open beta. So you guys can be the first one to experience the biggest update of Oxygen OS. So I have already applied on my OnePlus 13 and currently on OnePlus 13s I have not applied. So we'll apply in front of you guys so that you guys can also see the answers. And once you apply guys, let me know in the comment section below what's your score. Previously users had scored about 90 points using ChatGPT. You guys can try that same thing, but we won't be using ChatGPT. We'll answer the questions directly from here. And another good news for OnePlus 12 users, OnePlus have also started recruiting for closed beta program. So check it out in the about section. So here's how you need to apply. Just go to the settings, about page, tap on the system update, tap on these three dots, select beta program, and here you can see it says close beta. But once you tap on apply, here you will see it says open beta. So it's not a closed beta registration, it's an open beta registration, and these builds doesn't have much of issues. Most of the bugs are sorted out in the closed beta builds. But guys, before moving ahead, if you guys find our content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So once you are at this page, agree to all the terms and conditions, tap on apply, and here you need to have your account information. So currently you can see this is my user ID and this is my phone number. But before that, make sure inside the settings page you have logged in with your OnePlus account. If you haven't logged in, you won't be able to apply. As I've already logged in, going to about section, and from here again let's tap on apply. I'll authorize the access, and the quiz deadline is 13/10. Mostly on 14th we might get to see open beta builds. Under steps it says take quiz option, type no log version, so you don't have to provide logs. I don't think so they'll be creating a Telegram group, or you have to even sign the NDA, which generally doesn't happen with the beta program. Now let's tap on start and begin the quiz. You can see you have 10 questions and you need to answer them in 30 minutes. So let's tap on start. And guys, if I'm somewhere wrong, let me know in the comment section below which is that additional option we had to select. So the first question is, as per the beta testing user, which of the following behavior are considered not proper? So here you need to select share or exchange beta version package with others, which is not correct behavior. Using of simulator, that is also not considered a proper behavior. So here these two things are not proper. Tapping on next. Which of the following statement about the version downgrade is correct? You can still receive test versions after downgrading. So guys, you won't receive any test builds after downgrading. So keep this thing in mind before downgrading. Tapping on next. As the beta user, which of the following behavior are correct? So here the answer is any problem or bug are found during the beta test, we should report them accurately according to the feedback specifications. So this is the correct behavior. These two are not the correct behavior, wherein it says share app package. When you experience a useful feature, recommend it to other friends on social platforms. That's also not correct. Tapping on next. Which of the following is correct when you encounter serious bugs during beta testing? Record the problem in detail, screenshot, screen recording, mention everything and submit by feedback application. Second one is wrong, which is saving to local computer, and third one is also wrong, by posting on social media. Tapping on next. How do you access the feedback application? So the feedback application can be accessed by dialing *800#. Tapping next. Which is the correct way to participate in beta program? So here the correct way is the second one, like what we did here initially. Other options are wrong. Tapping on next. What should we do if someone spreads misinformation through unofficial channels? So here the only option I would recommend is report to the official channel. Which of the following statement about beta test are correct? Stable good experience? No, it's not correct. The test version released for the majority of user has no specific quota limit. No, that is also not correct. Beta version is not formal. It's a version open to someone during the development stage. So this is the correct answer. Version is the system version that can be experienced in advance, which has no difference from other version. This is also not correct. As a approved beta testing user, how to upgrade your device to the latest version? So here option is B. You cannot download the package unofficially and install it. This is the last question. What should we do when the device getting hot or lagging after upgrading to the latest beta version? So here you can select the first one, which is after the system upgrade, the system will perform a series of optimizations in the background. It is normal to experience short-term heating and lag. And you can also select the third one, in which you can also report the issue using the feedback application. Now let's tap on submit and see the score. So here on this device we have scored 70 and on this device we had scored 60. And guys, you get 3 attempts. If you want to score more, you can just tap on retry and again answer the questions. And once it's completed, tap on done. You are good to go. you can see it says pending review. Within 5 working days, you'll get to know if it's approved or not. So guys, this way you can apply for open beta program of Oxygen OS 16 and try out the latest, or you can say the biggest update of Oxygen OS before everyone else. And do not forget to drop your points, what you have scored while applying for closed beta or open beta. And if you guys have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.